This is organic liquid fertilizer. Boost your crop yield naturally.
What if you could replace expensive fertilizers with one made almost for free?
Stay with me, because I'll also reveal the biggest mistake that ruins homemade liquid fertilizer.
This is more than a traditional recipe. It's a science-based method that transforms organic waste into powerful plant food.
Beneficial microbes break down leaves and manure during fermentation. They release nutrients that plants absorb quickly.
The fertilizer contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, vitamins, and amino acids. Later, I'll show you how to naturally make it even more powerful. You'll need water, green leaves, manure, molasses, and EM solution. You'll also need a bucket, a wooden stick, and a filter cloth.
Leaves supply nutrients, while manure provides beneficial microbes. Molasses feeds the microbes so they multiply faster.
Cut the leaves into small pieces. More surface area means faster decomposition.
Mix the leaves, manure, water, and molasses. Finally, add the EM solution and stir thoroughly.
Cover the bucket loosely and keep it warm. Ferment for 10 to 21 days while stirring daily.
Billions of beneficial microbes multiply during fermentation. They convert waste into nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. Healthy fertilizer becomes brown with tiny bubbles. It develops a pleasant, earthy smell. A rotten egg smell means harmful bacteria have taken over. Daily stirring supplies oxygen and prevents this common mistake. Filter the finished fertilizer. Recycle the remaining solids as compost or mulch.
Use a 1:1:20 dilution for foliar spraying. Use 1:10 when watering the soil.
Banana peels and moringa naturally increase nutrient value. Use only a little wood ash to avoid raising soil pH.
This fertilizer improves soil biology and plant growth.
It also reduces fertilizer costs and increases crop yields.
You now know the science behind making organic liquid fertilizer. Start making your own and enjoy healthier crops naturally.
Make sure to like this video, drop a comment right down below, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend.